High potentials are a precious commodity in any organization. And someone once said to me, Phil, so how do you recognize high potentials? And there's some very key things that I look for. Firstly, they can always be relied on to do what they say every time. It always comes in on time, on budget. Secondly, they are fully accountable. They take full responsibility and they deliver on the things which they commit. Thirdly, they work well within the culture. They are models of the culture. So you can always look to them and expect them to be the kind of employee you wish everybody were like. And lastly, they're always looking for more work. Somehow they seem to get the things you give them done with time to spare. Those folks are the future of your organization, and they can exist at any level. Now, the interesting thing about a high potential is they really want to excel. They want to grow and develop as people, and they want to make a contribution. So I believe the key to managing high potentials is meeting with them individually and saying, you're clearly a high potential in this company. What is important to you? Sometimes it's money, but rarely. Usually it's an opportunity to make a difference. It's an opportunity to be exposed to more senior management. It's an opportunity to run a special project or move to a different function or location. But the key to keeping and managing high potentials is meeting their needs, not what we as HR professionals often think they want and need. Meet with them, ask them, and meet those needs, and you'll keep them.